Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like come on man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. Hear my OF like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, I got some ground to make up, it looks like. We'll see how the day goes. Gonna have to hold for some bigger winners. Something I'm not very comfortable doing, but we're gonna have to figure it out. At least if I want some success in this competition. Chat. Open up the chat. There we go. NQ's going, gold's going. What else do we need up? Yeah, I'm green. I'm going to take this. That's a 7-pointer. And I'm going to take this. I turned green. I'm happy. That's a start for the morning. The volatility is 6.63. It's kind of small. Nothing to write home about. Let's take a look at the, start off with the 30-minute chart. We just took out the Asia session highs. We're above VWAP. We're above previous day's close. Hold on, let me mark that out for you. We're above previous day's close. White dash line above VWAP, blue dash line above Asia session. That's the gray box over there. We're trading here now. So that's all bullish. Take a look at the daily chart. If you can make a case for selling on a chart like this, this is going back to July, April. Well, God bless you. We're in blue sky territory, making all-time highs, and we're forming a little bit of, we actually formed a little bit of a bull flag. So the higher time frame momentum on the daily is bullish. Gold, higher time frame momentum is bullish, although we've been trading sideways since April, also going off in this little tangent here. Let's go get the gold 1 minute chart up. We only use it when we're in a trade. And crude also strong rally. Came down very hard, but we're basing over here higher than we were basing over here. So I'd like to see us get back down below. I'd like to see us get back down into 50s. And for now, let's get back over here. Ooh, it's already cold in here. Load up BULENOX. Too many accounts again to trade. But we'll figure it out. We're going to need the copier for BULENOX. 4 o'clock is 16, eh? Wow. Strong move all night. Let's see if we can catch part of that. Let's see if we can continue, and then let's see if we can catch part of it. $8.18. Oh, it's true. I'm early. I forgot about that. I didn't even realize. Gold is opening in 20 minutes. No, that was wrong. Gold is opening at 8:20, which is in 1 minute. I had the 20 in my head. Really? I don't have a Topstep account open? What the hell is this? Oh, I do. Okay. Mm. Ah, I missed the gold. I was gonna grab it again. Down near the bottom of the bands. Really? I removed the lo-fi? That kind of seems weird. You know what? Add existing. It's got to still be here somewhere. There we go. Let's see which one is playing.
Oh, she can't leave you behind. Every night at 12, waking up.
Perfect.
Everybody see that you ain't
Back down there, eh?
got me acting crazy. Baby, I'm
Not sure I want to take that much risk, but
only doing that, baby.
let's see if we can get a little bit lower. Maybe if I can get around 33, 34.
No me importa nada cuando estás en mi mirada. Los minutos
Let's see.
pasan
I'll put in the order even.
y las reglas se traspasan. Es una locura,
Maybe not.
pero vale la aventura. Mi
Change
plan
my mind.
es nuestro, mi momento es perfecto. Every night at 12, we break every law. Babe, I know she coming back for more. Every night at 12, cracking all combos. Fading by Shacey, but she ain't get bored. Drowning in the hazy, alien night. Only gonna let in me. Just a viewport. Gotta be
cold.
I compare how
It's cold. It's cold.
Breaking rules, losing control. Can't stop now, won't let you go. 매일 밤 우리 천국. Top the world, this is a show. Every night at 12. Every night at 12. 매일 밤 불씨.
I think I'm gonna wait till 8:30 just to see what happens before I start taking a page. Before I take a page, before I take a trade.
Been holding back too long, pressure building up
Okay, we
inside.
need to
I know
upload.
what you see, try to keep me down, but why?
We'll
Every
download
time you push
so
me
that we
back,
can
solo
upload.
never my sweat. Tonight I'm breaking free, like in the body.
What?
Feel
We
it
moved the
coming,
trash?
feel it rising. Don't let poder them throwing me. Can't contain it, won't deny it. Esta noche vas a ver. Esta noche exploto, watch me blow. Can't control me now, watch me show. Now they think you know me now. Got me figured out, please. Subestimaste mi poder. Now just watch and see. Every limit that you set, solo me hace crecer. Breaking through the walls, ya no marcha atrás, yeah. Slow it down, still I'm burning. Feel the heat inside me turning. 3, 2, 1. Esta noche exploto, watch me blow. Fire! Can't control me now, watch me show. Dale! Ya no hay vuelta atrás. This is who I am. Exploto, exploto. Watch me blow up, bang. Hey!
Well, we didn't get down to. Oh, there's people. Good morning, Mike Stunts. Butter Stunts, I'm officially in the challenge. Way to go, Butters.
Turning the circles again while the world's getting dark. Yo no sé qué hacer when your memory hits me. Ni cómo se fía sin ti. And these hours keep breathing on me. Pensando en ti. Que sí, que sí. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Ay, no puedo más. Scrolling through messages, looking for traces of you. Mi corazón está inquieto, como si fuera tabú. Can I dream but they all look like you? Como tú, so the blue. Can I sheep but they all look like you? Como tú, yeah. El tiempo no cura what I'm feeling inside. Es horas son eternas when you're on my mind. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Que sí, que sí. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. No puedo más. Silencio total, but my thoughts are so loud. Te busco en cada rincón de mi habitación, but you know it'll be fun. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Ay, no puedo más. No puedo dormir. Dormir. No puedo dormir sin ti.
nunca me puedes tomar. Better run while you can, porque soy animal. Watch me break your plans. First mistake was thinking you couldn't handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature. Bad decisions make the best fucking memories. Push the limits, leave you panic, watch me laugh at it. Every attack, I still got the battle scars. Try to hold me down, but couldn't last that far. Think you different, baby, please, I heard it all. Plenty tried before they all went and took the fall. Moving reckless, cause that's all I ever learned. Playing matches till the whole damn thing gets burned. Got the fire and my blood is who I am. Either roll with it or run fast as you can. Sola hit por dentro, no hay quien me controle. Tonight I might lose it. Better pray that you know me. No me puedes tomar.
What, Sparky? I gave you cookies, I gave you food, I gave you everything. What are you complaining about?
Before I make you lose it all. Fuck around and catch this attitude tonight. Got these demons in me, making shit go right. Everyone is fine, I gave you flash red hot. Still you coming closer, better get it all you got. Breaking hearts became my favorite fucking sport. Leave them begging, leave them crying, that's my last resort. Think about what it takes to keep up with me. By tomorrow you'll be just another memory. Watch out since the day that I was born. Raise myself on gasoline and thorns. Need to match this energy I bring. Or get the fuck about my fucking rain. Salvaje por siempre. That's the way God made me. No me puedes tomar. I'ma force you to take control. Déjame volar. Oh, watch everything explode. No me puedes tomar. Esta veneno en la soul. Déjame volar. Before I make you lose love. Con mi música antigua en la mano, por las calles de Madrid temprano, buscando almas que entiendan la magia que desprendo mientras el tiempo se va mezclando. Me ves aquí, sientes lo que siento, entre el ayer y hoy, bailando contra el viento. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza?
Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, quiet, I'm just watching.
¿Quién baila conmigo? ¿Quién baila?
I could have a trade over here. Let's just take it for one lot. One lot because I'm busy doing stuff.
Monedas van resonando, la gente me mira extraño, mi violín va llamando. Mezclo lo viejo y presente, mi música diferente, pero mi corazón sabe que este momento es grande. ¿Quién baila conmigo?
I was gonna say, if I didn't get filled, you know what I'm gonna get out. I got a couple things I gotta do. Minimize. I'll be back in a sec.
Y aunque algunos no entienden mi manera de ser, sigo aquí en mi esquina haciendo tiempo mover. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Espuelas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Baila conmigo.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me? Te veo bailar y me vuelvo crazy. Heart beating faster with every move you make. Oh, mami, testing confianza, my body's about to burst. I can't escape. You got that power over me. Me tienes loco, breaking my self-control, poco a poco. You got that power over me. Can't fight this feeling, you're my energy. Whoa, got me spinning. Whoa, keep me winning. The power rush. Just break the beat and start, but you lose my mind. Every single touch got me hypnotized. No puedo parar, baby, let's not fight it. Tonight we fly. Heart racing faster, can't slow it down. Y que mucho slow, so now, turn it up loud. You got that power over me, me tienes loco, breaking my self-control, poco a poco. You got that power over me. Can't fight this feeling, you're my energy. Scream it up, wash it, keep them. Trust the body heat, rising to the compromise and let it flow through your veins. Try me yourself. You got that power over me. Begin to loco, breaking my self-control, poco a poco. You got that power over me. Power, can't fight this feeling. You're my energy. You're a power, right?
We used to see you at the club, looking mean. Every weekend, same routine. You was dancing with your crew, I was with mine. Silent battles, drawing lines. Ain't nobody crossed that floor till tonight when you said no more. The fire in your eyes when you step my way, got me feeling like prey. But baby, tonight we both gonna play. Let the music sway. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow. Now come show me try. Every move you make up, there on the touch it like a tar. Your body speaks louder and louder. Used to hate the way you move, now I'm caught up in your groove. Temperatura subiendo más, got me burning fast. Your moves are lethal, but I'm built to last. Watch you break your mind. From enemies to lovers when the They say love and hate are two sides of the same coin we ride. Tonight we flip it, let it spin, see which side we're in. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. You know you feel it like this feeling, and you let it roll outside this feeling. Never bite, I know this bitter. Just till me one and all. Came mama, we both wait like this, nothing they can.
Okay. Back. Continuing on with my work.
Let the smooth thing deacon.
Sounds on, yeah. Okay, sounds on. Make me proud.
Manos temblando, backstage waiting, hearts racing faster, no hesitating. Naves en el barrio, mi momento necesario. Deep breaths, tell myself you got this, 10 años de práctica. Now the streets are back, ya. Mi familia in the photo, rezando por su hijo, yo. The speakers bumping loud, the ritmo spreading through the crowd. From corners to the rooftops, la música won't ever stop. Gritando mi nombre, hey, hey. Making these streets my home. Mi gente gritando mi nombre, never performing alone. Mi gente gritando dale. From zero to here we've grown. Mi gente, mi gente, mi gente. Just got parties where I belong. First beat drops, nerve hills gone. Energy rising like the sun. The flow natural, automático. Move with the beat, it's magic. Every face I see smiling. Years of doubt, now they're dying. Started in a basement, now the whole block's amazing. Dancing, jumping, living. It's the no trick, just beginning. Remember writing verses late at night. Mama saying bye, volumen. Now she's far row, eyes so bright. Moving vital and moving.
Yeah.
Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento. Encontré en el ático un sonido mágico. Cuerdas totosino, moving sobre mareco. Ancient melody singing while my mind is ringing. Con este ritmo latino that keeps my soul believing. Melody ancestral, making my heart race shout. Feel it in my bones now, dancing to this sound rap. That I'm moving it to takes me way back when no sito el momento. En gas and present blend flow. El sonido antiguo en mis venas. The rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo.
A buy on VLOP look not bad. I mean, yeah, right now it's in hindsight, but you see the chart there? Yeah, they didn't break the bands. It would have been a very low risk trade for me. and I would have wanted to do it. Anyway, so be. I missed it.
Feel the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating, patterns in my mind now, legacy defining. Beats can make connecting, rhythms that protect us, moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. I guess I'm in my past now, making this our last now. Simple la magia, rising through the sound now. Every string I'm playing, gets my heart praying. Para mis ancestros while the beat is slaying. Voices del pasado, calling through time. Sangre, sonido, your story and mine. Antiguo, antiguo, through the ages we flow. Antiguo, antiguo, let the ancient sound show. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, the rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo me llena, the music breaking all limitations. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, I were my ancestors calling. El sonido antiguo me llena, there was the light and now I can sing.
La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing alone, with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses, so what I'm looking for, mi libertad, in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on, with silence down my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, que en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, aunque recuerdos perdidos.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables. Los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like haters not just thinking low and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Y vuelo en azar, y vuelo sin miedo en al fin, sin miedo. solo con mi soledad, en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa.
First Notes wins 97 on 92.
La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing along, 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 with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio a mi lado.
Listen on, with silence down my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, que en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más que recuerdos perdidos.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables. Los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just thinking low and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right.
Y vuelo en azar, y vuelo sin miedo en fin, sin miedo. Bailo solo con mi soledad, en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos.
La música regresa. it was night. No words, get it right. The bass hit different when you move like that shit. Saw you cross the floor, down. Language barrier, don't give it down. Your body speaking loud and clear. Bet you feel the heat right here. Te quiero bailar, don't need to explain. Side eyeing, baby, what? Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it bounce, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it bounce, figure out how. Can't understand shit you say, but your moves ain't lying. Hey, got that international swag. Fuck it up, make the floor say. Get over a lot, don't need to explain. Start riding, baby. Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it bounce, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation
Would have had a couple of good trades there.
bounce, figure out how.
Only I'd be paying attention.
Hey, fuck it up, fuck it up.
Baila conmigo.
Go, 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 go. Toma, make sure. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it bounce, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it bounce, figure out how. Not fronteras en el ritmo. When the beat move, we all move. Sin barreras, sin moves, just truth. From Miami to Madrid, we keep flowing. Coast to coast, the movement's growing. In la calle of the club, we unite. Breaking barriers every single night. They try to stop us, but we rise higher. We gente dancing through the fire. No passport needed when we rock. Yes, the ritmo breaks the deadlock. Feel it coming through your veins. Echo del ritmo, no chains. Watch how fast these walls come down when we let the music crown. No hay fronteras in a ritmo. Hey, music breaks down every wall, you know. Fronteras in a ritmo. Music breaks down every wall, let's go. From the blocks to the world stage, esa música breaks every cage. Don't matter where you're coming from, el ritmo makes our hearts beat as one. They can't control what we create. La música decides our fate. Every bullet turns to dust when the people move as us. East, bailando west, cantando unidos out. Let's go. Let's go. Feel it coming through your veins. Echo the ritmo, no chains. Watch how fast these walls come down when we let the music crown. Your fronteras en el ritmo. Hey, music breaks down every wall, you know. Fronteras en el ritmo. Music breaks down every wall, let's go. Hay fronteras. Let the rhythm speak true. Let the music break through. Frontera. No hay fronteras. Every was libertad.
Hey, Skeletor. Time to start getting ready for trading. What time is it? 9:04.
Some strings start to sway. Bailando, bailando through time. Let the music show the way.
Start to take a second look at the chart, see what's happening. Sorry guys, I've been working on a couple of things.
Drums make it complete. Cast to present, watch me spin. Where my journey will begin. Cuerdas cantan melodías, taking me to otros días. Feel the rhythm in my blood. Moving like a rising flood. Bailando through the centuries, connecting souls set them free.
Okay, so what did I miss? I missed the move higher in NQ for, wow, 30 points. Could have given me decent profit. I don't think I caught all of it, but I have caught some of it.
Through the sounds of history, string by string and beat by beat, making past and present me.
Let's get my watch out there, really? Okay, there's another copier open. Let's close it. And there's another copier open. I wonder if that's also a problem. Funny, the copiers are open and they don't even show up. They're hidden underneath other screens instead of making them on top. Anyways. Yes, I'm going to complain about them. I'm going to bitch about the Apex trade copier again today, probably. Why can't I pick MNQ09? Let's try it again. New copier.
Bailando through the centuries, so making so set them free. Bailando, bailando, ancient rivers make me whole.
Start with
Moving the space and time. Bailando, bailando contigo. Bailar conmigo for time. Bailar conmigo through space. You let the music show the way.
okay, it worked. See what we get. Gold's a pretty decent buy over here. What are we getting? Why is there a blue line there? I'll try that for a small piece. How much do I want to try this for? Maybe a 3 lot if I can get filled. Low risk trade. And then we'll see if I can keep it for a runner. When James and Woodchip show up and Joker and Omnius, we'll go over the results from day one. Most of us know, but we'll still go over it. Come on, take me out. I don't know, I was thinking that 35 I'm gonna have difficulty being competitive because I don't want to put the account at risk. On a 5 lot. Average loser on a 5 lot for me is probably going to be about $250. 3 losses in a row, that's $750. That's a deep hole. Anyways, for now I'll play my game. And we'll see where it gets me. Again, goes up just a little bit. 3.94. I think you gotta take your 5 points and just run with it, man. Fuck off. Good morning. Be honest with you. I'm kind of happy that I was able to even turn green. I don't know, I was down as much as 250 last night. So that's not bad. But I gotta focus on my other accounts also, eh? Like Joker said, it can't be too much of a distraction. Got my BULENOX accounts up, ready to go. Okay, I'm ready. What does gold look like on the, you know what? 6 down. What's that 6 down? Good morning, Joker. I'm just waiting for what chip and omnius. What does that mean? 6 down? Skeletor? 6 star, 6 down. Can't even read. Ah! Dealer 15, Mike 6. Okay, I didn't see that one. Shit. Yeah, I agree with you. 6. Damn. Mike's Dunstro 6. Good morning. Well, you know what? Let's preview it. I haven't even seen it yet, so this is new for me also. I hope it works. Oops, I forgot to do the high transition. Slide. Right. Thought I did it. I did it wrong. Oh well. Wah. That failed. Let's fix it. Doesn't matter that it failed today. Try it again.
Every night at 12.
This time it'll work. Skeleton, you're in second place. There we go. I gotta get a label though what it is. Here we go. There's the official standings. I don't know what's I know what it is. It's screen 2. Let's get rid of screen 2. It's confusing. There we go. There's the official numbers for the end of day 1. I've lost every hand today. Yeah, I saw he posted something. He showed me up 600 or something like that. Well, not showed me. Showed me. He put it in the. He put it in the chat. Yeah, I forgot I wanted to label it. I worked. I missed a bunch of trades and I forgot about wanted to label it. Boom, boom, boom. This could be a short over here, maybe.
Been holding back too long, pressure building up inside. You're not one the much you see, try to keep me down, but why?
Okay, so Team Streamers is doing good then. What's up is up 1,000. I'm up a big 15. I'm up 15. It's Joker's fault. He keeps telling me I have to, or he kept telling me I have to trade 3 lots. I'm making fun. I have to trade 3 lots, 2 lots, and max 5 lots for the competition, but better to stay small and stay consistent than to blow the accounts and risk the accounts. That goes without saying.
Did you know me now? Got me figured out, please. So bestie must be me por there. Now just watch and see. Every limit that you set, solo massacred there. Breaking through the walls.
Missed a lot of good trades this morning.
Slow it down, still I'm burning.
A lot of good trades.
Feel the heat inside me turning.
What do we got over here? Current swing low, 920.
3, 2, 1.
That's down there. Current swing high, 932. That would be this one. Swing high 2, 956.
Esta noche es pronto, watch me blow. Fire. Can't control me now, watch me show.
Yeah, it's true. I didn't even think of that, Joker. You could have just used one of your evals.
This is who I am.
Anyone. Who cares?
Explodo.
Who cares?
Watch me blow up.
Even take one that's like, if you have one that's like at 50,500 or something, we'll give you, what do they call it in golf? A mulligan or something? I don't think anybody's gonna go home screaming to mama. Did I program the short side of this? I don't even know. Nightbot, dealer draws 27. Nightbot wins like 85% of the time. So do I. I think it's fixed. I rarely lose. 42. I'll draw 68. 65. That was close. You guys would have freaked out if I got it, eh? If I guessed it. Wow, look at all those chips I have. Still I can't do anything with them. That was a close call.
looking for traces of you. Mi corazón está inquieto, como si fuera tabú. Can I dream but they all look like you? Como tú, so tabú. Can I see but they all look like you? Como tú, yeah. El tiempo no cura what I'm feeling inside. Es horas son eternas when you're on my mind. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep. Mi mente no deja de latir.
I'm going to start layering into the gold trade here.
No puedo más.
9:19, 10 minutes before the open.
Silencio total, but my thoughts are so loud. Te busco en
I would have preferred
cada
332,
rincón
but
de mi habitación, but you know it'll be
I
fine.
FOMO'd in a little bit.
No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep. Mi mente no deja de
Oh, I'm missing an opportunity here,
dormir pensando
and I
en
will
ti.
fix it.
No puedo más, no puedo
I will fix it.
dormir, no puedo dormir sin ti.
Break your plans. First mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges,
Going
leaving
against
ashes,
me, the
that's my
gold.
signature.
Let's put up the
Bad
gold on the
decisions
1
make
minute
you
chart.
grasp up your memories. Push the limits
But
till you
that's
panic,
okay.
watch me
We
laugh
got
at
in a
it.
little early.
Every
This is
attack,
the
I still got
scaling
the
in
battle
position.
scars. Try to hold me down, but
Small
couldn't
position.
last that far. Think you different, baby,
One
please,
lot.
I heard it all. Plenty try before they all went and took
Now
the
we'll wait
fall.
for it to roll
Moving reckless
over.
'cause
Like I
that's
said, I would
all
have preferred a
ever
better
learned.
price here. I
Playing
think I
matches
always
till
seem
the
to
whole
be
day
getting in
gets burned. That
right at the
fire in
rounding
my blood
bottoms.
is who I am. Either
Look at all
roll
those
it or
wicks
run
too.
fast as you can. So I hit
Gold seems to
one
show its
hand
hand with these
Why
wicks.
can't it control it? Tonight I might
At least that's what I'm
lose it.
noticing.
Better pray that you know me. No me puedes tomar. I'm a force you can't control. Déjame volar. Oh, watch everything explode. No me puedes tomar. Hasta veneno in my soul. Déjame volar. Before I make you lose it all.
So where will my second entry? Right now my second entry in gold will be at 3329.7. Should it go there? If it stops me out, I'll lose about 40 bucks.
Still you coming closer, better give it all you got. Break your hearts became my favorite fucking sport. Leave them begging, leave them crying, that's my last resort.
And NQ I'm bullish, which means it's going to go down. NQ is so tied into my psychology that if I think NQ is going to go down, I mean up, NQ is going down on the open. I'm not taking a pre-open trade. I do that on the open, but not on the pre-open trades. Maybe if I do one, I'll get in at 329. 1 minute before the open. Okay, hopefully gold will reverse. There you go. Oh, not yet. There's gold again in a minute. What does it look like? We're kind of hugging onto the 50 moving average in gold. 50 period moving average, but trading lower today.
Buscando almas que entiendan la magia que desprendo mientras el tiempo se va mezclando. Me ves aquí, sientes lo que siento entre el ayer y hoy, bailando contra el viento. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con
Gold is
salsa.
down $10 today.
¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila?
Crude is down 20 cents at the moment.
Paso las horas cantando,
NQ
monedas van resonando. La gente me mira extraño, mi violín va llamando. Mezclo
is
lo
up
viejo y
57
presente,
points.
mi música diferente, pero mi corazón sabe que este momento es grande. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza?
What do we got? We got a,
¿Quién
look
siente
at
el ritmo en
that. I may have a short.
casa?
How many contracts can I trade? I have a short in NQ. Unfortunately, it's just before the markets are opening. We'll see what happens. But long term, or higher time frame, Renko charts are bullish. Excuse me. Higher time frame Renko charts are bullish. Lower time frame Renko charts are bullish. Aggressive Renko charts, Winds of Renko are bullish.
¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo?
Gold's not rolling over. It's not playing nice with me. 926. Give me a second. I'll be back.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me? Te veo bailar y no puedo crazy. Heart beating faster with every move you make. Oh, mommy, touching the gas, my body's about to burst. I can't escape. You got that power over me. Me tienes loco. Breaking my self-control. Poco a poco. You got that power over me. Can't fight this feeling. You're my energy. Whoa, got me spinning. Whoa, keep me winning. Power rush. Just break the deed and start, makes you lose my mind. Every single touch got me hypnotized. No puedo parar, baby, let's not fight it. Tonight we fly. Heart racing faster, can't slow it down. Even what you feel so now.
Okay, 2 minutes to open.
You got that power over me.
I can start considering a trade.
Breaking my self-control. Poco a poco. You got that power over me.
NQ's coming down, even though I'm bullish.
You're my energy.
Gold is being a bastard. Again. Shit, it just runs whenever I take a trade. Very unfair. What am I looking to do? Let's get organized.
Why should I keep down? I trust it by the heat. Rising to compromise and let it flow through your veins. Try me a say. You got that power over me.
Yeah, we'll go. I'll contact you later. Time it for around 11:45, 12.
Poco a poco.
Maybe pizza's a good idea because I'm going on some crazy diet starting tomorrow.
You're my energy. You're my power right here.
Where are my earbuds? Gold. One more bar and I'm out of gold. That's a big loss for gold. Wow, I didn't expect that. Shouldn't have added. Okay, well, you know what? I'll get it. It's going to take me out anyways. Markets are opening in 13 seconds. My mic is on. Yes, it is.
I was with mine, silent battles, drawing lines. Ain't nobody crossed that floor till tonight when you said no more. When you step my way, gotta feel like rain. But baby, tonight we both gonna play. Let the music sway. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low.
That's funny though. I don't hear anything.
Feeling, baby, let it flow.
Did my mic bust? Mic is on. My headphones aren't working. I'm in the dark. Uh-oh. 3 minutes to Wapner. No, that's not a long trade. Anyways, I don't know why my headphones just died. There isn't an on-off switch, so we'll figure it out later. I don't want to miss the open.
They say love and hate are two sides of the same
44,
coin.
they got me again.
Flip it and let it spin. See which side we're in. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. You know you feel it like this feeling, then you let it roll. Let's this feeling. Never buy, I know this bitch, so
Wow, push lower. There you go.
both with like this, nothing they can.
Actually heard that. That's funny. Push lower. Move the stop to break even. Bought a 2-lot in gold. See how that works. I got one left in I got one left. Where should my stop be? My stop should be somewhere around 18 plus 14. That's 20. This should be around 32. 32 and a quarter. Yeah, that seems about right. So why is sound sometimes working and sometimes not working? Oh, now it's working. I don't know. Sound went on a break. It's funny. Let's go. Keep going lower. At some point I should cover 29.09. That's only 20 points. Really? Yeah, I'll cover.
First beat drops, nerve hills gone, energy rising like the sun. The flow natural, automatic, move with the beat, it's magic.
So let me see what we're doing now. I'm looking for a trade in NQ. Short side again. How's the accounts looking, guys? Oh shit. I have a position on gold. Yeah, I'm down 106. I was up a little bit. Down 106 for now. 2 leaders. First place and second place. As of day 1, Mike Spence and Skeletor. Well, gold's either gonna, no, I'm gonna wait for gold to reverse. I was gonna get in early, on an add to my gold. Mike's done, mine's weak. Going lower. NQ's falling. How can you have no sound and then all of a sudden you just have sound? That's so weird. Computers are weird.
Computers are weird.
Wow, there's a voice in my head. I'm losing my mind. That's so funny. You just kind of floated in there.
Good morning.
Good morning. That was like a ghost.
Like, wait, what? There was an echo.
Yeah. Wow. Look at that. One click and you're up and running.
I think my strategy glitched this morning. I think I should have got in on the last candle.
I'm always forgetting about the 2-minute trade. I gotta create an alarm for that.
Then as soon as I click into it, you're saying computers are weird. I'm like, yeah, they are.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense what they do sometimes, to be honest with you. Look at that, I could have just waited. Gold trade.
I'm set up for the 2-minute trade. For some reason, it took it at the 4-minute or 6-minute.
I got a 4-lot in gold that gives me just a 1-lot scalp.
Hey, either way, it won.
Yeah, I wanted to take it today. I was all ready to take it. And I got
For some reason, I just took it. I don't know why. I was saying right before I clicked on with you that I don't know why I hadn't taken it. And then it took it. I don't know. I have to review the code or something.
I have to change the name of my channel from Futures Floor to Distracted Trading.
Trade distracted.
Trade distracted, yeah. Everything is conspiring against me lately.
Were you in gold?
I'm long in gold and I'm short in NQ, 1 lot only. I swear lately when I get involved in gold, I'm catching all the catching the highs and the lows. It's okay. I'm gonna make a small revision to gold. I'm chasing, that's why. It's not that I'm chasing, it's just that the way I'm tracking the market, I'm entering where theoretically it looks like I'm chasing. My reversals, my trend reversals are catching pretty much the end of the trends all the time. Anyways, hopefully it'll roll higher. We do have a break of a swing high with a close above it. Sure, over there. If we continue watching gold, I gotta get out of gold. Okay, reverse it. Let's see what happens.
It looks like the hourly wants to go short still. If we get some follow through on that.
Which one, on gold or on
NQ, sorry.
Okay. Let's go NQ. Make me $4 with my one lot.
You said you're shorting NQ, right?
Short NQ, yeah, just the one lot. Because I'm long 4 in gold. Okay, you know what?
Oh, is that to keep?
Go
Is
ahead.
that to keep it a 5 lot?
Yeah. Gold I'm out of. Gold is getting me. I'm out of gold for now. And let's try and catch a bit of a tumble here in NQ. Hopefully it doesn't wick this here. Oh no, that's a good trade there.
Looks like it wants to go down to that pivot point there. 22,879, 880.
Mm-hmm.
See if we can get a good signal off this pullback.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgot fatal, los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just the galore and everyone shit the floor now. I'm writing my own story, so I better see the audio of what they think I should be just.
Yeah, I thought you was kind of quiet. Thought maybe y'all just stayed up all night partying.
Shit, got me stuck again, and it just keeps, I tell you, it runs on the opposite side of my trades. It doesn't run when I get in. Oh, I have to close. Fuck off.
No, I got cheated again. Diller beat me.
Oh, you play.
I mean, sooner or later, we're going to rally up against that dealer.
Mm-hmm. Well, I got a gold again. Hopefully this time it runs lower. This time I'm in when the momentum change came. I'm not getting in late. But I'm chasing my tail here. Oh. It's going to take me a second to get this done. Okay, I'm shorting BULENOX.
I'd like to short the NQ if we get a signal here.
Yeah, that's what I did. I shorted NQ. I did get a signal at 04.
Okay.
I'm going to add an 11. If this one loses, this account's finished for today. I mean, no more trading it. It's close to my stop. I'm really getting raped today. That's it. Stopped up.
Got a reversal pattern on the ES.
Am I getting a message?
They watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, mi libertad.
I was trying to set up a 15-second strategy yesterday.
Okay.
It did horrible. But it might have been the trader. So maybe if I try it today, it'll do better.
Okay, I'm gonna get the exact same short again on Topstep, huh? That I was in before. We'll see. The entry's gonna be at 04. Joker saying we just took out the lows. Let's go take a look at that on the 50-minute. We took out the London lows, yeah.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets,
No,
forgotten
didn't
fables
trigger yet.
que se mueven a compás del tiempo que no volverá.
It does kind of look like we might be forming a wick and want to go higher. We'll see. We'll see.
Think we're going up or down?
I don't know. We're below
Joker
VWAP.
didn't give that. He didn't give that information.
We're below VWAP. I'm still thinking down, and I'm still thinking down because not just because we're below VWAP. It's not that simple. My charts are below the bands, and when they're below the bands, I am short.
Short it.
Yeah. Oh, you took a short?
Yep, that's what it tells me to do. That's what I do.
That's pretty good. Couldn't get filled that one. Deal me in. Order submitted.
Yeah, I think the ES is just too strong.
Well, there's going to be good days and bad days, I guess, right? There's no way I'm letting this one run. I'm not testing. Oh, will it go beyond my stop, or will it come back? Fuck off. If it stops me out, I'm out. There's always tomorrow on the BULENOX accounts. I do want to see 97. I'm hoping we can get down to 97. Actually, is it 97? Yeah, it's 04, 97, it's 97. Let's put it in. Take profit. Hope we get down to 97. ES divergence is looking long. Yeah, let me take a look. Whoa, yes, there is a
Kill it there at 5 points. ES looks too strong.
huge ES divergence. So you mean I'm in a small profit? I should just take it and revisit?
Nope. You should do whatever you should do.
Too late. I took your financial advice. You didn't disclaim.
It's in the description.
You didn't disclaim. Let's
Download
see.
is working. That's why you can't go by what I say.
I don't know. I think, what did I do? I pulled out something there for the BULENOX. Not much. Not much. I don't even want to say how little. This is crazy disco music. I don't even know it's on. I don't know why. See, it's crazy. It's the weirdest thing. My speakers are working on some audio outputs, and on some it's not working. Sorry, wood chip. Click, click, click. Didn't even know
Jose,
it
good
was
morning.
on. Didn't even know it was on. Okay, now that you're all here, last time I play it. First place, second place as of yesterday for the trading competition. Mike Stunts, number 1. Skeleton, number 2.
Sweet.
And we will see what that is. We will see tomorrow where we stand. Right now, that's as of day 1.
I think I'm in last place.
No, hold on. You are Omnius Prime. You're in 5th. You see the image?
No. Hold on. There it is.
You're in 5th. Wood chip was minus 258. I mean, the standings have drastically changed now, but as of day 1, wood chip was minus 258. Bulletproof butter starting. And who knows, maybe Joker will join in. I was saying that why doesn't Hey, look at that. Look at my 5 lot in gold, guys.
You still in the gold?
Yeah, I forgot about it.
Jose, we're doing a trading competition. What are there, 6 of us?
6 now. I'm kind of hoping that Joker joins. Let him use one of his accounts. Who cares? I don't care. Let him come in with plus 258 or plus 300 or plus 500. Let him come in with whatever he's got. He's got to have an eval there somewhere.
Got to have something, right? He says he got all those accounts.
Okay.
Anyways, Jose, I'm either in last or very close to last because this choppy market's killing me.
My daughter's sending me message and she's far away from home, so I got to check them out.
Like this here. Tried to take a short. Look at this, just chopping.
Nice.
Jose, if you want to join a trading competition, it's not too late.
It's
It's
free?
just for fun. I don't think there's any prizes or anything.
There's no. What do you mean you don't think? You know.
Y'all change the rules every day.
There's no prize. Oh, there's a couple of side bets now, but there's no prizes. But tell him it's free. He's gonna think there's a $50 admin fee or something.
It's he can hear you.
Oh, sorry.
I hope. All right, keep talking.
Hello, Jose. It's free if you want to join. You can even join with an account that you have. If it's
it's working.
If it's not greater than like plus $300 or $200, somewhere at that area, an eval.
Orb indicator won't work. Jose, what's wrong with the orb indicator? I got one somewhere. We got order blocks, that strategy. What is this one?
Cool. Oh no, Sparky, come on. Everybody's bothering me. Seriously. No. I fed you twice already.
Where is my orb indicator? This one. This one.
Well, nothing really happened much since I got out.
That one's not really doing very well right now.
30 funded. No evals, Joker says. Oh, well.
That one ain't really doing very well right now either.
Winner gets a 50K eval with fast track trading. That's it.
Jose, when you take the orb trade, what's the conditions? Okay, here it is. It's just so early in the day you can't hardly see it. It's these dots right here.
Okay, let's get back in business. I mildly recovered. I'm down 100 on one of my master accounts in BULENOX. That account gets rotated. I'm not touching it again today. Now we're looking for a trade in something else. My take profit trader recovered on a nice short in gold. 5 lot. That was a beauty. Let's go back to NQ and see what we got going. Oops.
Because I also trade the 2-minute orb strategy, which for some reason was a bit late today, but goes off the 2-minute candle, break of the candle and close.
I'm gonna need a coffee refill soon. We got a nice wick here at the low of the 15-minute opening range. But we're just flip-flopping on VWAP again. That's always, I don't know about you guys, it's difficult for me to trade like that.
Yeah.
So I'm going to trade cautiously. VWAP's been very nasty to me for like the last 6 months.
Is it good coffee? Pour me a cup, will you?
Oh, it's really good, actually. No, seriously, my wife bought this new syrup for it or something. It's like butter toffee or whatever. Butter caramel. It's really good. Well, I made the big fucking mistake. I trade with 5 mini. Again? How are you guys? I guess you guys flip and flop, right? Eh? You go between the minis and the micros.
See, that's why I had to take all the minis off mine.
Yeah, I used to make that mistake.
That shit will piss you off.
Ooh, yeah. I've lost accounts like that. So you know what now? Yeah, I just trade micros. If I want 3 minis, I'll trade 30 micros. I don't care. I trade mini in my PA. Yeah, I know, Skeletor.
Sometimes what I'll do is I'll have a different chart window. The good thing, like you colored yours, like have a completely different chart window. That way you're not clicking one chart to the next.
Absolutely.
Then have it a different color.
It's so important to color code the charts for me. Otherwise, I'll just make way too many mistakes. I know orange for the gold isn't the most attractive color, but I need the bars to show up, and I don't want to use blue. So that's what I'm going with. Blue and green are too strong on the eyes. I need something that's more neutral, softer.
Is this your stream? Where are you at?
I don't know. Trading competition is covering me. Thanks for letting me know. Nope, it's not that. It's this.
What's funny is those lines on your chart. I put the same thing on my 15-second chart. So I was like, is my chart or is this your stream?
Which one's the color, the background colors?
Yeah, they're almost like lines, the blue and whatever the other one is.
Oh, yeah. Butterstunts draws a 1. Butterstunts, how do you draw a 1? Let me show you guys how it's done.
It's rigged.
Let me show you how it's done.
No, it's rigged.
Mike Stunts. Who wins? Mike Stunts draws high number. Dealer draws high number against futures floor. I lost. Oh, well. I thought I would.
Did you lose?
Look at that, Butterstunts. Read the Nightbot message. You don't need more trades. What do you need? Go read
More
it.
money.
No.
More money.
Oh, shit. Short. Come on, get in. Where the fuck is my clicker? Fuck. Okay,
Could be a short, but it's
short
still kind of
trades.
ranging.
Yeah, be quiet. It's not ranging. It's going down.
Fuck all this range shit.
No range. I'll add it 11. There, I
Somebody
called
look
it.
up a range trader and call them up so we can get some info on how to range trade.
Wow, what do you mean? If you sat in that gold short for an hour, then you did great. Let's go. There we go. TP1. Range my ass.
What?
Range my ass. We're going lower. Too bad I can't show you the short trade. I'm in a short trade with my BULENOX. I'm short at 05. 0550, to be honest with you. Stop at break even. I already took 2 take profits. And I'm gonna let this one run a little bit, see if we can break the low. the U.S. session low by about 5 points, so I'm going to put in my buy limit at 83. Actually, 83.70, 83 and a quarter. Oh, I can't change my order. Now I can change my order.
Oh, is that you trading gold today? Where's gold? Oh, I got gold up on the chart.
Finally, I can put in my buy limit. Oh,
Oh,
beautiful, beautiful. There you go. There's my target. There's my target. Nice trade. Okay, that brought in 100. 100 a trade is good. If I can have 10 winners in a row, that's 1,000. It's very rare I have, but I have 70-80% accuracy days sometimes. He was overdue.
Yes, sir.
Alpine was overdue.
I don't know if it's because I don't know how to trade gold, but the chart just looks so much cleaner. At least the past few weeks.
Yeah, no, it is, and I don't know. Gold is just looking like a phenomenal market to trade. I just gotta figure out, and it's been a while. I've been saying it, but I gotta figure out how to wrap my hands around it. And really, what I'm thinking is less short-term scalps. A little bit longer term, I think we got to be thinking because of the speed of the moves and the air pockets. There's a lot of air pockets in gold. You know, the bid just disappears and it's like 1 point lower. So I'm thinking the strategy is higher time frame, longer targets, farther targets, and maybe a little bit farther stops, or just get in with really good tight entries.
So what time frame if you're looking at a higher? Around like 5 minute, 15
yeah,
hour?
5 minute. No, not 15, 1 hour. For me, you're gonna get one trade. You're gonna get one trade a day. 5 minute.
5 minute?
Yeah. And if you're using Renkos, I don't know, maybe a $2 box.
I don't know. Maybe it's just because I don't trade gold, but there's like this perfect short opportunity right there.
Yeah, just went short. Perfect timing. Let's see. No, sorry, I didn't go short. I had a limit order, and it just got filled. So let's see. But again, it's at a basing area. See, I'm catching these basing areas. My system is kind of fishing me in, it seems.
I mean, from the first 5 minute candle, he could have just shorted and perfect trade.
Oh, in the 5 minutes.
But of course, that's in hindsight. And I don't trade gold, so
I'm not eager to get in this. I don't like what it's doing. So gold is trapping me a lot with these kind of basing patterns. I'm going to lower my risk on this trade. And just let's see what happened. I'll move my stop down to here. There we go. We'll let one run. You know what, to be honest with you, if I can salvage my day, I'll be happy with my Take Profit Trader account. I trade silver. Really? Do you? So do you, wood chip, or are you just being facetious? That's incredible if you're trading silver.
What's the silver ticker?
I have no idea. Maybe SV. I know Tori trades or Tanya trades. I've heard her talk a couple of times about either palladium or platinum. That's got to be a thin market, though. I already find gold thin enough. That's why those air pockets form, because it's a thin market. There aren't bids at every level. Let's look at the volume on gold and NQ. NQ right now is 367,000, and gold MGC is 100,000. So it's about, this volume is about 30% of what gold is, of what NQ is.
See, that's what gets me nervous. But looking at the 5 minute chart here, I mean, looks like it's all filled in. I think sometimes at around the 3 a.m. or something, it kind of thins out.
No, 3 a.m.,
No?
2 a.m., 3 a.m. is the gold market's prime time hour. That's London.
Yeah, really scrolling back, I don't see any thin spots.
Okay, that was a losing trade, but it didn't cost me much. That's surprising. My stop in gold isn't where it's supposed. Oh, there it is. Now it's where it's supposed to be, and it keeps going
Might be
down.
the market to be in nowadays.
Look at the move I'm catching in gold. Nice short.
With all the currencies going to shit, everybody's flooding into gold.
If it's going to form a wick, I'm going to get out. So many wicks. So I tell you, gold really just makes wick bottoms. I think you can develop a system around gold and its wick bottoms. What do you call these candles here? Shooting stars? Hammers, if it's the other way. I don't know if you can, the one with the big wick and the tiny little body at the top, or the tiny little body at the bottom. Like another one that's going to form right here in 3 seconds in gold.
Hammer.
Hammer, yeah. And underneath, the one when the body's underneath.
Looks like you got a hammer candle, and then if that pushes up, could turn into a morning star. What you saying, body underneath?
Yeah.
Inverse hammer? Shit, I don't know. There are people that fight you over that. Some people call it inverse hammer. Some people call it something different.
What do I need to happen in the gold chart now for the on the 1 minute for the wet dream pattern?
The wet dream, blue sky, unicorn pattern.
That's it. I want that one. Dragonfly. That's a nice name, Dragonfly.
Dragonfly doji.
Okay. I feel like I'm playing too many instruments at a time. I'm working BULENOX. I'm working Take Profit Trader. I got my Topstep account, which I've been neglecting, my XFA and an eval. Oh shit, I have an MFFU also that I've been neglecting. I think it's even up there. Now? No, trading Take Profit.
Okay.
I can't even keep track.
I would get all those confused.
Yeah. I'm fucking confused. It's too much. It's too much. It's too many. Joker's saying now in his head, see, I told you it's distracting.
Mm-hmm. Now we're getting this pushed down.
Yeah, I told you it's gone lower. You don't listen. Yeah. You don't listen.
This guy's got me distracted. That was a joke. Come on, laugh a little bit.
Me? I'm always laughing. I just laugh only at the good ones.
You short? Short?
No, I'm not anything. No, I'm not anything. I'm not anything.
Yeah, I think the signal got missed.
The seagull?
Signal.
Oh.
Hard to understand. There's southern people in it.
No, it's not that. I just thought you had a new secret pattern, the seagull pattern.
Might have to look it up. There might be a seagull pattern. There's everything else.
There might be. Woodchip used to have these animal patterns.
Who was it? Trading with Travis, I think. Draws all kinds of patterns on his chart. Animals.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like the fish pattern.
Does he live on a farm?
I don't know.
I don't know. Ask him.
I'm going to go to a stream and ask him to teach us the fish pattern.
Yeah. Well, I got the pizza pattern. How's that?
Okay, teach us the pizza pattern.
When you're losing, you close down the stream and you go out for a pizza. That's the pizza pattern.
I thought you were going to say you take a pizza here and you take a pizza there.
That works too. I think it's both of them. It's a combination of that.
You get a piece here, you get a piece there.
That's it. You enter and you take a slice of profits or a slice of pizza. Slice your profits up into 8 pieces.
There you go. Now you got to do a video on the pizza pattern.
I will.
I seen you put a video out. Haven't got a chance to see it yet.
Oh, I don't know.
Don't know. You don't know if you put a video out?
No, I'm pumping out so many great videos lately that I don't remember. I don't know which one you're talking about. The one that starts with the pretty girl?
Look at this guy. He's like, I got so many great videos. They're so great.
Shut up! Don't say anything!
Where the fuck? It's like for you and gives me all these videos. Like, just give me the one that just got put out. Is there not a video? I thought I got a notification saying there was a video.
I don't know. There is a video.
Maybe it's the live stream. Let's click on it.
Yeah, that also.
Oh shit, that's the live stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
I got a series coming out also. It's going to be really good. It's covering the algo, the mysterious algo, the mythological algo. I've been doing research into it. It's going to be a great series, actually.
Got to put out a teaser trailer.
I already have it done.
Sweet.
Imagine a world where wood chip possesses the ability to chip other chips. If wood chip could chip chips, how many
I think that's what GPT says. Is like you got to put out
and how many
teaser
chips would
trailers for your videos.
Chip? Would wood chip chips if they weren't wood chips? The possibilities would be limited only by wood chip's own strength and desire to chip chips.
I didn't watch the video on Gene Simmons. That's the basis from KISS, right?
We may never know for sure. It's fun to imagine wood chip chipping chips tirelessly away in a forest full of chips.
What's the video with him?
With Gene Simmons?
Yeah.
I have no idea. I still didn't even get to... Oh, wait, we're going to have a trade. Let me get the clicker. Got close, but it didn't trigger. He said Jim Simmons. Jim Simmons, I guess, is a technician, a chart technician. But no, there was the other one. I forgot already. Jade Cap. I still didn't even get to the Jade Cap one, wood chip. He created the algo. Oh, yeah? Okay. That's good. I'm going to make a note of that. I'll research that and add that in my video. See if that's...
I don't think any one person created the algo. I think it's
truth
just...
or fiction. Oh, and the Saints. He died recently. Oh, is that the guy that was what's his name there? Not Lou Dobbs. Tom Hugard. Was that the guy Tom Hugard was kind of mourning? He was saying it was his friend. He was pretty sad. I'm not being sarcastic. Tom Hugard was pretty broken up over it. I think it might have been Jim Simmons. Is he still around, Tom Hugard? Is he still on his Telegram channel or anywhere? Anybody know? I loved watching him. I enjoyed his trades. Anybody know? Pronounce Simons, like Cyclops. Simons. Tomato. Jimmy boy.
Jose said he's taking a trade in EuroCAD long off the open range.
Yeah, let me get up the EuroCAD chart. Can I?
Looks like a good trade. Should be a good risk to reward.
Where is my... I don't even know which one is my...
Great risk to reward.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Nope.
Well, that bell's going to have to ring a second time if somebody wants me to get it. I'm not getting up. I'm not getting it. What? It rained like 5 hours ago. They can't do anything on the deck. And they have to call in advance. It's a salesman.
They want you to buy their pizza.
If it rings again, I'll go. Are you going? No, it's okay. We're good. We're good.
It's the pizza man.
No, pizza man. Nobody's home. Asia lows have not been taken. Let's take a look. Yeah, you're right. It's the YouTube police. I have a copyright strike. They're going to home me away. You guys don't hear my dog howling? So
No,
funny.
I don't hear it.
Anyways, whoever rang the bell knows there's a dog in the house. We did? How did we sweep Asia lows? I'm looking. I don't see it. I don't know. I guess it depends on how you define Asia lows. For me, my Asia lows are... I go from 7:30 until midnight. For me, that's Asia. And then I got London at... I got London starting at 2 o'clock. In order to sweep Asia lows, you'd have to start Asia at 9.
You got indicator that plots all that?
Yeah, it just marks off the range. I get to choose the time. It's a range
Okay.
identifier or box maker. It's a fancy schmancy range box maker.
I mean, it's nice to have. Let you know where the
It is. I love
lows and
it.
the highs are.
Yep, you get to put it for the range that you have. Yeah, and I use the code from that range box maker when I make opening range strategies. When I code the opening range strategies. Full port long. Really? You think so?
Full port long. Wood chip said so. In this case, full port means 5 contracts.
Well, I think as a minimum, you know what? I'm gonna change my boxes for you guys. I'm gonna change it to opening range. My Asia session. Where's my Asian session? It's this one here, 7:30. I'm gonna make it 08. We agreed Asia opens at 8. We had that discussion, and we agreed. So apply, okay, let it readjust, it's calculating.
Guess I forgot the open range
There we
retest
go.
again today.
So no, I still don't have Asia swept.
Didn't really do all that great today, but
Omnius, Woodchip wants to know if you know the song Dino Disco for kids.
Dino Disco?
Yep.
No, I don't.
It starts with Yabba Dabba Doo, I'm thinking.
Let's look it up.
Uh-oh, I gotta
Play it.
mute you so I don't get a copyright strike. Dino like
Yep.
the dinosaur. Dino like the dinosaur. Well, Dino. How else would you spell Dino? Dino. Oh my God.
How do you spell it?
Dino.
That's the name of the song?
Yep. Oh, no. Dino does Dallas.
The Dinosaurs for Kids?
He didn't hear me.
Dino for Dallas don't sound like something I want to type into the browser.
You did hear me.
Oh.
Yeah, for kids.
Dino for Kids. How's that?
That's exactly what he said. He said Dino Disco for kids. Oh, if you're typing in Dino does Dallas, it's DINO. Dino like dinosaur. You don't need more trades. You need Butters trades. You know,
Dino Disco Dance.
Dino Disco Dance. Let me just try this one. Yeah, let me move.
Is that what I'm looking for? The dance video?
Not sure. He just said Dino Disco for kids. He didn't write dance anywhere. I'm in a shorts.
I see a cartoon dinosaur dancing.
Yeah, it sounds like Barney.
But okay, take a trade here. Hold on. I gotta look at this trade first.
Oh, you just took a trade? Wow. I tell you, I swear, we traded the exact same moments. Somehow I'm in my Apex account. I don't even know how that happened. I was supposed to be in Take Profit Trader. Who changed my accounts when I wasn't looking? I'm more interested in Debbie Does Dallas. I'll leave Dino to you guys. Debbie Does Dallas. You know, I've never seen that. I think I gotta have movie night with the wife.
Jose, so you're counter trend trading the EuroCAD? They call it mean reversion play? Something like that.
Nobody have a heart attack, guys. It's a 6 lot, but as you can see, it's my Apex account.
Sure.
You can see it.
Cheating.
My my stats are on the screen there.
What are the setups on
there's only one account that has a trade live right now. Let's go. Hit target.
Give me just a second, Jose.
Pow! Right in the kisser!
Come on, you can do it.
Are you watching Dino Does Dallas? Is that why you said, come on, you can do it?
I'm rooting for Dino. Come on now.
Come on, you can do it. You can find the hole. You don't need a flashlight.
Just so tired of all this choppy shit.
Yeah. I'm lowering my risk. You know, it just keeps doing this to me. It keeps going to target number 1 and then just reversing. Fuck off. You're going to do that? You're going to take me out? At least I'll lock in a little bit of do not.
Fucking choppy market.
Great, I just said do not, and I got in the mood for donuts. You know, they opened up a Krispy Kreme near my house.
Go trade gold with the rest of the guys.
Did you hear what I said?
Krispy Kreme?
Yeah, they opened it up within walking distance. How about that for a guy that's got to go on an extreme diet, and they open up a Krispy Kreme pretty much across the street from me.
You're in trouble. You're in trouble.
Hey, do you know, just before they opened up, it was crazy. They were standing in front of the stores. Before they were opened, they were still closed. You couldn't go in and buy donuts. They were standing in front of the store with boxes and boxes of donuts for 3 days. And if you drove by, you got a box of donuts. That was a really smart promotion. That was genius. Wow, look at gold dumping, eh?
Listen to the Disco Dinosaur.
Well, I'm going to take this trade here again because it's got a small stop. Let me remove the stop. The stop is at 76 plus 14, which is 90. That's nice. I'll buy a little one at the market. Didn't I just say buy? Yeah, I did. Okay, I have an ATM. That's why that's there. Let me change my account over here. I don't even know which account I'm trading. That's the account I'm trading right now, the Apex.
So the Disco Dinosaur, is that what you were listening to?
Me, I wasn't listening to anything. I can't find the song. What chip's looking for it? If the Doist pull up, Alpine is blowing all his accounts. If the Doist. What's the Doist, Joker? I'm not sure if the Doist. I'm trying to think how that's a spelling mistake. Can't be. If this does pull up. If this does pull up. Okay, if this does pull up, Oh, so Alpine is short. Cool. I'm in good company then.
Yeah. Alpine knows what he's doing.
Oh, doesn't. Oh, I thought it was does. I thought the T was the extra. Oh, shit. So Alpine is long. Okay, I'm out. He already blew 20.
Oh, yeah, he's getting wrecked. Yeah, it happens. How many is he in? I can't even see it. Fucking blind,
I
man.
don't know. He has 10 left underwater, 5K already.
I only see 2.
That's not a way to trade. That's not a way to trade. That's a way of, I don't know. I'm not gonna critique anyone. I'm not, I haven't earned the right to do that. Go.
He's fucked up all across the board. Yeah, it happens. 4,000, 5,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 3,000.
He's up?
No, down.
Oh, you mean minus 5,000, minus 5,000, minus 3,000. Yeah.
I only did half.
Wow.
So double whatever I just said. Is that about 50 grand?
Yeah, Joker, that's just not the way to trade. I think we've all been there, done that. It's not the way to trade. That you have to get that devil out of your system, and I think I have, mostly. I think in the last 2, 3, 4 weeks, you guys have seen a major change in the way that I size and trade. The clicker has really, really helped. Even though I don't use it as much, believe it or not, I still use it in my mind. No, I'm up 106 in Apex. I'm down 69 in Take Profit Trader. I'm up on one of my master accounts in BULENOX on another computer, and I'm down on one of my masters. So I'm kind of even for the day.
Hey, Jose, BULENOX is a prop firm for futures, and they have a sale going right now, 91%. So for like $15, you can get that prop account. And you can use Ninja Trader, or they have a different platform you can use to trade it. If you want to trade futures, get into it for about $15.
With us, trade futures with us.
Yeah, come trade futures with us. Try it out.
But don't follow our trades.
If you don't like it, it costs you what, $15?
Just come trade with us.
Well, he trades with us anyway. He just trades FX.
Yeah. I'm gonna load the chart. I have an FX account. I'll load it up. I will load it up, but not right now because I'm missing too many trades. And I actually have 3. I have 3 platforms for Forex, and I don't know which one is the one that's enabled. It's just a demo account, but still. We can track the trades, check out what he sees. And you know what? If you actually see a good setup, you can still trade the euro, the pound, the Canadian dollar as futures.
Well, I think he said that he trades futures also, didn't he? He said it before?
I don't remember.
I think he said he trades the indices a little bit. Maybe he does it on Forex. I don't know. Got 3 props already: Blueberry, 5%ers, and Quantical.
Quantical.
Never heard of that one.
Tickle.
I see 5%ers a lot on Facebook. I guess that's a Forex one.
5%ers, yeah, it's Forex. They also have Trade the Pool, if I'm not mistaken, which is for stock trading. There's 2 big ones in the Forex world. There's the 5%ers, and there's another one. I forgot which one it is. James would know if he was here, but he's not in the room. It's 5%ers, and who's the other big one in Forex? Anybody know? For the prop firms? FTMO, that's it. You're right.
Yeah, that's another one I see a lot on Facebook.
I think 5%ers for me, in my opinion, is like the top step. It's the good firm, the reliable firm. The one that's running their business with the most integrity. I guess that's the best way to say it. Long from 53 1/4. Nice job, Mike. Let's get a shout out to Mike. Long at 53.
As I was asking about the open range trade, right now I'm only doing the 2 minute. It's just a break of the 2 minute candle.
908. Wow, nice. All the way up to VWAP.
Got a break and close. And that's a strategy I only use on evals because the risk to reward's terrible.
I wanted to get a 2-lot here and get out a piece at 76 at 83. Omnius asks Jose for Darwin asks XXX.
What?
Ask Jose about Darwin X. I think Darwin X is fantastic.
Darwin X? Jose, you know anything about Darwin X? Is that a prop company?
No, I think that's a place where you place your trades or you show what you can do and then other people copy you and you get paid. That's a genius idea, actually. It's kind of like there's Collective 2 and there was another one. I forgot what it was called, the big one from the guys from out of Greece, Zumba Trades or something, or Zuma. I don't remember. Sorba. Maybe I'm off. Yuma. No, it was something like that. I think it was 4 letters, the name. That's why. Why are you laughing? I think it was 4 letters.
Now you're just guessing. You're like Yuma, Zuma, Uma, Huma.
Yucatan. Are you using caps lock control?
Am I?
Yeah.
On what? Oh, okay, never mind. Went over my head for a second, but I got it.
Yeah. Mine's full up already. I got more than I need. That's true. There it is. Yep, nice trade. So, who did better on that trade, me or Mike? I tagged along with him. I made $30. Mike, did you make more than 30? It's sad.
What was he taking the trade off of?
52. I think he said he was long. I guess the sweep at a low.
I mean,
maybe he
okay,
trades off
swing
higher
low.
time frame candles. He trades higher time frame candles, so a few more. Yeah, it's probably like 38, 39, maybe as much as 40.
Jose said he has no idea who or what that is.
Don't laugh
think
at the
I've heard
less.
of him.
Don't laugh at the less fortunate.
Or he said, don't think he'd ever copy anyone else.
Mm.
Exactly, Jose. If I'm going to lose my money, I'll do it myself.
Mm-hmm. I agree. And you know what?
Just
right
something
now,
about losing your own money.
that makes everything taste sweeter.
Put a lot of work and calculations into losing my own money. I don't need to hire them to do it.
Yeah. Tell you, sometimes, like I said, I'm breaking my rules a lot less. Probably 90% reduction in rule breaking. But I remember I used to work so hard sometimes on coding and systems and back testing, which I still do. And then I would go and break all my rules, and I'd say to myself, Mike, why are you even doing all that work if you're not even going to follow the rules that you back tested? Like, don't waste your time then at that point.
That's exactly right. And we all do the same thing. We spend hours and hours and hours back testing, but then we get live and we're like, Okay, this is not quite my setup, but I think it'll work.
But price is moving, so
Yeah, it's moving that direction. It should work. It's like, no, you fucking idiot. Did you backtest this or not? Fine, that's when I lose the most money because that's when I get aggravated.
Mm.
I take trades I shouldn't have took and then goes against me. Like, you fucking idiot. Told you not to take that.
Yeah, like right now, right at this moment, I'm getting FOMO. I didn't get it before, but I'm getting FOMO right now. This is where I would enter. 920, but I'm not. You see, like I don't do it anymore. I don't act on it. I just feel it.
No, I need a pullback. Jose said, I don't know what tastes better, Texas KFC or losing my own money.
Wow, you see.
Jose hit take profit 1. Sweet.
I think I should go for a walk because this kind of move is making me thirsty.
You just want donuts.
Taco Villa, Texas.
I mean, if they could just make healthy donuts, I think we'd all be skinny.
I'm not a big fan of donuts, but Krispy Kreme, I don't know. They got some magic recipe. They're really good. Okay, am I done with gold? It's 10:30. Take the chart off.
Now, if you're eating donuts, how many? Be honest.
How many? I don't know.
1, 2, 5?
No. Normally? It depends. It depends on what you're talking about. If they're in the house sitting on the counter, 1. But if we just got them, we're a family of 5 here, and they usually go in about 30 minutes. So 2 each, 2.5.
That's not too bad.
Everyone runs down and grabs their favorite one. But if I buy 2 boxes, that second box will last. They'll get hard and dry.
It's when I see people give their kids 10 donuts, and their kids are bouncing
Jesus
off the walls, and they're
Christ.
like, I don't know why my kid acts like this. It's like, really? You don't have any clue? No clue?
We talked about not we, you and me, but over here in the Futures for Household, we talked about doing the Krispy Kreme challenge when you get 12 originals and you compress them down into the size of a slice of bread because they're so airy. And then you eat 1 donut. You eat 1 slice of bread for like 2,000 calories.
It might be even more than 2,000 calories.
Could you imagine? I'm
the
curious.
amount of sugar.
Yeah. I don't understand how you can compress that many calories into such a tight space.
Was it like 50 grams of sugar a piece?
Yeah, and I think it's 200. I think I GPT'd it. I think they said it was either 180 calories donut or 220. I don't remember. So let's go with 200. So 12 donuts would be 2,400 calories.
Of pure sugar.
And oil.
You might as well snort a line of cocaine. just
the donuts are cheaper.
Okay, you got me there. Donuts are cheaper. But the donuts make you fat and the cocaine will make you lose weight.
Yeah. Nice run. Roll up the dollar. You're killing it there, Woodchip. I'm in 5th place now. I'm down $34. And I'm feeling not confident in trading.
Yeah, your trading's better than mine past few days.
Did someone say Coke? Someone did.
Everybody got excited all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Which, if what are you saying? It made you fat? He's like, cocaine always made me cook late in the morning.
Didn't say he ate it. He just said he cooked.
Well, there you go.
Then it was, what the fuck am I gonna do with all this food?
Jose, that EuroCAD trade still looking good?
All burners on
right
at
up.
the same time. That sounds dangerous, wood chip.
Yeah, can't be burning down the house.
Wood chip's another one of our daredevils.
Take profit 2. Good job. So you could have joined our trading competition. Although I don't know, was Forex allowed?
That's stretching it already a little bit.
No Forex?
I barely touched the challenge account today. Well, Woodchip sounds like he's going to pass you then, the way he's talking. I didn't do anything. I don't know how... Skeletor, how you doing? How you doing? I haven't got an update from you. What's up, Skeletor? How you doing today? Oh, we did get an update for you. Yes, I'm sorry. You know my memory. I've let you know. Yeah, no. You already mentioned it before. Sorry. Sorry. All that talk about cocaine went to my head. I said all the talk about cocaine went to my head, right? I was specific. Yeah, perfect. There you go. Zombie mode. Well, I got a short and gold. Let me try it. I hope it doesn't chew me up. I kind of made a little bit of a comeback. Why do I only have a one? Oh, what? Why is it only a one lot? It's supposed to be a 3 lot. Fuck off. Of course, the one that works fucks up. Omnius is muted. Omnius, you're muted. Unmute your mic. Yeah, no, it's your mic.
It's not muted. It's not muted.
I can see it is. Right there. Look on your left.
What?
On your left. Look on your left.
What are you talking about? Can you hear me now?
I heard you all the time. I was just fucking with you.
Can you hear me now? Fucking guy.
Yeah, I got you back for the 3 you got me on yesterday.
What did I get you on?
I don't know. What was it? The definition of Omnius.
I told you the definition.
My stream is still running.
The stream was still running. All those were true. Fucking guy runs off. Don't even shut his stream down.
Are you supposed to? Shit, you're really fast on the mic to cut out those coughs. Where's your mute button? That's so you're like your quick draw McGraw there.
Right in front of me. I have a program. I just click on it. Click.
Oh yeah, you told me. Yeah. Your
Click
line 6
mute.
thing. Yeah. You told me. Sorry. One day I'll try
I
to
can
remember
even
something.
add other stuff, change effects, add this on, do whatever I want. Turn the volume up and down. Add reverb. How about some reverb?
I heard that
Where's the
song
reverb?
again on your stream. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
How about a bright ring? You want a bright ring? Get some
Okay.
reverb.
Reverb. Where do I take this trade? Where do I take this trade? Let's take it and take profit. I think it's a good one. 5 lot NQ. Get the clicker. 18, 22, 32. 32-bit holds. I'm going to have a long trade in NQ. Sorry, I had to do the math like that. Oh, really? We got a short?
Sounds like a football team.
Yeah.
1832. 1832. Set.
Okay, now I don't know what to do. I have a short trade and a long trade, so I got to wait it out. You know what? Fuck off. I'm going to go with the short trade. Let's see what happens.
Do it.
Let's see what happens.
You got short and NQ?
Yeah, I got a short and NQ. Not going to let it go far. Up to 35, 27, 8 points. Actually, let's go. Take me out.
Pow! Right in the kisser!
I guess the short one.
Did I pick the right direction or what?
Good job on that one.
Thank you very much. I knew that was going to happen.
You faded yourself, didn't you?
No. Well, you don't see my chart? You don't see the red line? That's some of my new secret sauce. Go look at the background that got colored.
I see it.
Yeah. That's some new secret sauce.
Eat.
I got a couple of triggers on it. I got a short over here that worked. It's only supposed to be 1 for 1. And I got a long that, I think it might have worked. I'm not sure. I'd have to draw the fibs, but gives about four trades a day.
That's all you need if they're good trades.
Oof, I'm thinking short again, man. Right here. But like to hold it. But we're right above VWAP and we got some wicks. And I've been getting hurt by wicks, so this one I actually will wait out.
Thinking a long.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Long. Because of the wicks and VWAP.
Try this 15-second chart. Been getting me in trouble.
Yeah, then don't do it. Play with your clicker. Play with your balls.
Look, I'll play with my clicker on my own time, okay, when the stream's off.
I'm long 885 unfunded. Yeah, nice one. Nice catch. Joker, I need a meme for Joker. I have it on my to-do list. You know what? It's going to go on my to-do list. Priority number 1 today.
Meme for Joker?
Yeah, I had a really good one. Oh, I remember what it is. Yeah. I even passed it by him just to make sure that it was okay by him. I hope he remembers. Anyways, anybody doesn't like their meme, let me know. I'll delete them.
Let me know. We'll make one of you crying like a little bitch.
Or I'll play it. Or I'll play it more often. Maybe you're better off. Maybe you're better off keeping your mouth shut and just let me play it once a day.
Anybody that don't like their meme gets a crybaby meme. At least for a little while. No, just joking. Man, y'all had a party going yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah, it was fun. Why am I looking at gold? I'm saying I have a gold short. Why am I looking at gold? What does it look like anyways on
Why is this trade going against me again?
Every fucking trade in gold. Well, gold doesn't retrace, eh? Gold just like it just goes sideways a little bit when it's trending. I don't know. You know what? I think research has to be done on gold. The gold looks like it's really paying well if you spend some time to figure out how to trade it.
Somebody call the market maker and find out why all these trades are going against me.
Yeah,
I
hate days
fuck
like
you.
that. You got it. It will be noted. I love the red Santa beard.
What sucks is the market's moving nicely. It's just every time I go to get in a trade, it's just chopping. Mother bitches.
Okay. Don't get too specific. I'm not an artist. I'll do my best. We only have a frontal view. No, that's not okay, Woodchip. That's never okay. That's never okay.
Fuck it, let's blow these counts. They're bad juju.
Yeah.
Thought about taking mine and just giving it to the 2-minute strategy, open range strategy. I think that's the only trade that I took today that worked. And that's supposed to be the risky trade. Fuck.
GPT can't make caricatures of men as good looking as you. We're not going to be happy with any of the results. So I don't know what I'm looking for as a trade. Oh, it's a long. Really? My next trade's going to be a long? Does anybody agree with me? I mean, Joker's long at 85. What about you, Omnius? Are you thinking long? We just did get under VWAP.
Are you trying to lose another trade or are you trying to win?
Yeah. I'm waiting to hear what you're thinking, and I'm going to go in the opposite there. I won't take it if you're saying long also.
Yeah, I mean, I said it's looking long. Whether that works out or not, who knows?
Well, you didn't get triggered yet, no? I didn't get triggered. I just got alerted that I should be looking for a long.
No, I got triggered a few minutes ago and then got stopped out.
Okay, and actually I just got alerted that it's short now.
Yeah.
We just rolled over.
See, I spent all that time yesterday making that recap video. It got 6 views. Like, what the fuck?
Oh, no kidding. That's surprising.
And you wonder why I make meme videos all the time.
Push, come on, push now. Do a nice push for us, yes. Come
Look,
on,
I made a meme video of a thumbs up.
Yeah, that was nice.
6-second video got
Pow!
50 views.
Right in the kisser.
Oh, damn, what the fuck happened here?
I went short. Remember we said it reversed to short. You didn't jump in?
Nah, I was looking for a pullback.
You know, Omnius, it's fun to watch TikToks, but you can't be distracted and miss out on an A+ entry. That's what Nightbot just said. Just wrote now on my chat on my stream.
Stay
For you.
focused. It's fun to watch TikToks.
And stop playing with your clicker. For God's sakes.
Look, a grown man should not be telling another grown man not to play with his clicker. Y'all need help. All right, I need a drink. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Take care. See you tomorrow. Really? Shuts my mic? That's weird. No, didn't I say testing, testing, 1, 2, 3? Hold on. Sound check. Okay, it's working. Yeah, wonderful. I closed it. Confusing. Running too many things. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, I turned this day around. Take Profit Trader up $160. Not going to buy a new car with that, but I was down 250. And remember, I'm a short-term scalper going for small targets. So that's a $400 turnaround. That's a nice turnaround for me. That should keep me in third place. Third place. I'm thinking wood chip will be second. I'll be third. Mike will be first. Or wood chip will have taken over. I'll be third. Who does that leave us? That leaves us with Omnius, who's down. Skeletor, who's down, and Butterstunts. You know what? I'm going to say Butterstunts. I don't remember either. I don't know if we've got an update from Butterstunts. We just gap filled. That's two different thoughts at the same time. Yeah, I don't know if we got an update from Butterstunts, but I should be third. A distant third, but third is third. It's still a bronze medal. And with wood chip in second and futures floor in third, that's me. Team streamers, looks like we're doing good. Team streamers is doing good. We just need Omnius to pick up the slack, but he's not too far down. How bad are you? How red are you on the eval?
On the what?
On the eval for the competition.
How red am I?
Yeah, like 200, 150.
About 450.
450, yeah.
About 250 yesterday. No,
Yeah.
200 yesterday. 240 today.
Okay.
These mother bitches.
So you're driving in reverse.
Y'all are riding race horses. I'm riding a donkey going the wrong way.
That's your cue. Play the donkey.
Where's that damn donkey?
I'm watching. I want to see it.
Is that
He's so cute. Didn't Arnold Schwarzenegger have a donkey living in his house, or two of them?
Did he? I don't know.
I think he did. That's kind of weird, no?
A donkey?
Yeah, I think two. Look it up. I think so, allegedly. It was a mini horse. Witchup says it was a mini horse.
Oh, a pony.
No, mini horses are different. Mini horses are, I think, horses that have like stunted growth or stay small. You know, like those little those circus horses. It's kind of a weird animal to have living in your house, though. Unless you have a really good trainer that potty trains them or something. You don't want horse shit in your living room, right? On a regular basis.
What the fuck, man? The donkey shit in the living room. 'Again.
Again.
Again. What the fuck? 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 What the You ever watch like those weird pets and like people got pigs and stuff in their living room and
Yeah.
miniature horses and donkeys and
I like the little ones. I like the squirrels, the prairie dogs, the groundhogs, weasels. Those are cute little animals. Well, I went long, and unfortunately, I didn't milk that at all. I took out like $30 on that. You don't need more trades. You need Butters trades. Where is Butters? Come on, let's call him out of the woodwork. Butters, where are you? Boom, boom, bow, bow.
you know what's fucked up? Looking back over my trades for the day,
Okay.
and literally every one except for one should have been a winning trade.
He's pooping. What does that mean,
What?
should have been?
They all would have been winning trades.
Had they gone in the opposite direction?
No, they all went perfect. It's just they all chopped before going in the right direction.
Oh, and you like bailed? You just got scared that you got shaken out?
I wouldn't call it shaking out. I'm used to the trades just going. Remember we talked about
yeah.
this before. I'm used to the trades
yeah.
just going. So normally when they start chopping, it's a sign of just, hey, get out.
Yeah.
But now the market's a little bit different, so now it chops a little bit and then goes. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals, and out of that, 4 of them should have been winning trades.
I'm giving you a job for tomorrow.
Instead, I took 3 and they were losing trades. Well, I mean, one was like 3 points, the other one was 6. They weren't bad losing trades. My son was watching the recap video yesterday and he said, Dad, why do y'all cuss so much? So I had this quick comeback. I was like, son, we don't cuss that much at all. I just cut out all the video parts where we weren't.
That's not a lot of cutting.
He's like, oh, okay. You're getting me in trouble.
I want you to remind me tomorrow for the 2-minute ORB trade. I want to take it. I'm getting frustrated. I'm always forgetting. And you know what? I'm going to set up an alarm. A fucking loud alarm. Hold on. Where's my alarm?
Like I said, today it was doing something weird. I don't even know what it was doing.
I don't know. It ran a little bit, but way to go, Joker. First trade, only one trade of the day. Yeah, good job. Where's my alarms? They're not even up? They're not even running?
I have to check my code because it looks like it took the... It worked out right, but it looked like it plotted it instead of the 2-minute at the 4-minute. I don't know why.
Clone.
Probably that Ninja Trader bullshit.
Can you guys hear that? That is going to be the alarm for the 2-minute ORB. Like a patient dying. You're not going to get me, wood chip. I can hear it. I got Bluetooth in my ears. Edit. 23070 alarm 3. Let's call this 2-minute ORB.
But if you got Bluetooth in your ear,
Yeah.
how do you have the stream muted sometimes?
Oh, it's coming from the cell phone, so I don't have it on the computer.
Huh. What are you muting? What are you muting through the streaming software?
When I mute,
Yeah.
no, I close the power button on my mic.
So it's a button on the mic itself?
Yep. Most of the time, 90% of the time, that's how I'll do it.
What kind of mic you use?
I don't know. The one that was on sale at Amazon.
I mean, it sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
I feel like mine sounds off.
No, it sounds good. Nobody likes their voice. You know how long it took me to get used to my voice? Yep. It took me a long time to get used to my voice.
Sounds weird. I've had this mic for like 20 plus years.
No way, really?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, you don't look a day over 19.
This thing's been through more mosh pits and had more beer spilt in it and
shit.
Banged around. It might even been used for a weapon a few times.
23070, Joker's calling for it. That's got to be somewhere up here. 80, 70. That would be, oh, that's just Friday's high.
Yeah, I've had this mic for over 20 years.
No kidding. Wow. That's incredible. Well,
I took the grill off and bought a little foam thing to put on it and started using it.
Yeah. I also bought those foam things. Straight down to double hockey sticks. Mike, I'm wondering, did you catch this long over here on any of your accounts? Under 22,850 when we swept the lows, the initial balance. Good job. It looks like a Mike Stunts trade. I mean, I don't really know what a Mike Stunts trade is, but if I had to tell someone what I think a Mike Stunts trade is, that's one of them. You know what? Fishing Slots Florida was taking trades like that too when we were sweeping and changing direction off significant highs or lows. And it was basically, he was really picky. He was really going for the day's highs and lows. He wasn't taking a lot of trades. Now, he never defined what he meant by the day. If he meant since the 6 o'clock open or if he meant the U.S. session. But it seemed like he meant the U.S. session, which means he would have been looking for a long over here, actually a long over here, a long over here, a short over here, a long over here. He was doing well. I don't know. When I try this, I get raked over the coals.
Mm-hmm.
I get raked over the coals. Mm-hmm. Maybe I just need a better entry. You know what? The problem is I buy it as soon as it breaks. As soon as it sweeps. I'm not waiting for a trigger, like maybe a break of a previous candle's high on the 1 minute chart. I'm curious, seek and destroy day. No follow through on either side. Yeah, basically. Let's take a look at the 5 minute chart. So let me just have go ahead.
Go ahead. I was talking about something different.
I was just going to ask Mike. I mean, I know he uses the 5 minute, 15 minute, the higher time frame. So if I switch to the 5 minute, how are you entering? Like, are you just, this is a 5 minute chart now. You're certainly not waiting for the break of the high because then you're getting in almost under VWAP, the break of the high of the previous candle. So you're just jumping in. You're just like the higher the time frame. If I go to the 1 minute, I'm just going to switch the time frame. Hold on. We have a break. We swept the lows. We swept the low. We break the high over here. So you can get an entry quite low, quite near the low with a tight stop. Look at a 60R. Okay.
What's a 60R?
60 range.
Like 60 minute? Oh.
No,
chart.
range 60 ticks,
I got you.
15 ticks. 15 point. Yeah, we kind of base there. If I were to use a range, what would I use? I'd probably go smaller. I wonder. Let me cut that in half. Let me cut that down to 32. So
you're asking that man what he uses, then you're changing it.
Well, yeah. Then I got to make it for how I trade. How I like speed. So, yeah, okay. That's kind of nice. Yeah, I like mine better. Are you looking at my chart? Let me get rid of screen 2.
I was a second ago, but now I see the market pushing a little bit.
Look at the look how we got a strong move over here. Okay, so then we sweep. So yeah, I could justify a trade like this on a faster range chart. I don't have room for more charts. Then we did it again. Now we're getting a nice strong move back up. You know, it catches some. It's kind of like the like what I'm doing with the Ninzarenkos. It catches some pretty good steady moves. And at least, at a minimum, I think you can use this to define a momentum move. I don't know. No? I mean, take a look. I think it's even better than the indicator we coded, where it calculated the bars, how many bars in 1 minute on the Renkos.
You could put that on this one, the range.
Yeah. Oh, that's interesting too. Yeah, let's get that up. What did you call it again?
Yeah, or something.
Did it start with a number, a letter? You remember?
I think it started with a B.
No, Renko chart reversal bar lines plus text. Is that it?
No, unless you named it something different.
No, I didn't.
I had it as bar something.
I don't have any B's. I have A, and then I go to F.
What?
My strategies. Oh, you made it an indicator.
Yeah, it's an indicator.
Yeah, no, I make my indicators, but I can only make them as strategies. I don't know how you do that. You're like a wizard.
What?
I make indicators, but I have to load them as strategies. I don't know how to make them load as indicators. Isn't that crazy?
Sounds to me like your mic keeps cutting out.
Oh, yeah?
Sounded like that. Anybody else?
Shouldn't be. Maybe my wire is loose because I was having problems before with the sound. Bar count per minute. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's it.
Show label. I don't know. Oh, you said no show label, eh?
No, don't show label. I mean, you can if you want to. It's just going to clutter up your chart real bad.
Oh, yeah, I remember what the labels were now. Yeah. See, it has the same personality as it does with the Renkos. It explodes and then it just drops off really fast, which doesn't make sense to me.
Well, that's your new minute. It's only counting per minute. So once the minute's over, it goes back to 0.
Oh, once the minute ends, it starts boom, 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 boom. Oh, okay. So each peak is the minute.
Each peak's the end of the minute.
I was misinterpreting it. I thought this was a minute, this was a minute, this was a minute, this was a minute. Each peak is a minute. You're right. 15-minute inside bar. It's a little bit high for me to use an inside bar. What about inside bars on the 5-minute? Yeah, there was one today. It kind of got chopped on both sides.
It's inside the 15-minute bar, but it hasn't closed yet. Oh, there it is. 30 seconds. Yep. All right. Gotcha. Yep.
Yeah. Let me know if my mic's fucking up because, like I said, I had no sound this morning in my ear. I didn't touch anything. I said I'll deal with it. I said I'll deal with it later. That's why I said fucking computers. I said I'll deal with it later, and it just came back on.
It was funny because you were saying, like, as soon as I come on, you were saying fucking computers. At the same time, I was having issues with my bot. I was like, well, that worked out perfect.
Well, what kind of issues were you having with your butt?
Not butt. Leave it you talk about butts.
I'm having problems hearing. I got to get new batteries for my Bluetooth headphones. Could have sworn
Your
you said
Bluetooth butt massager.
I don't know even that they make those. I don't know how you would know that.
Now you're gonna look it up, ain't you?
First thing, pregnant lady candle pattern. Let's go see the pregnant lady candle pattern. Let's change
15 minute.
15-minute, yep. Is it gonna give me a boner? Ah, yeah, I could see it. I could see that as a pregnant lady. Wow. Not only that, look at her long legs. That's a pretty sexy pregnant lady. Or long leg. She has one long leg.
No, she got 2 legs. Look at the other one there.
You're right. What's in the middle though? Now I'm worried.
If you don't know what's in the middle, I'm not gonna tell you.
Well, it's green and long. It's not supposed to be green. It's not supposed to be long. Let's go back to 30 minutes. And let's go back to the 1 minute. Okay, so here's a mistake. Here's a stupid sentence. Take profit is up 188. Do I want to try and take a trade before I cut out and get it to 200? Does anybody want to answer that? You know what? I'm going to make that a poll. Should I try and get my TPT account to plus 200?
I was gonna say, I think Alpine got most of his accounts back up.
Really? Wow. So he didn't hit. He didn't blow any?
It's weird, isn't it? No. Ask Woodchip.
Wow. But the way you were saying, -5, -5, -5. I mean, if it was all exactly -5, then
Yeah, a lot of them are still red, but they're not. I only see a couple of the -5s.
I would think they were blown. They're blown.
Or maybe he blew a lot and took them off and switched accounts or something. I feel like he used to do stuff like that a lot. That's part of the way he trades.
Yeah. Okay, let me make a phone call here. It's pizza day, guys.
You gonna call Alpine? I knew you had a phone number for him.
I'm calling for pizza.
I thought you couldn't eat pizza.
No, remember my wife bailed on the diet. You didn't hear the story yesterday? Day 1, she bailed. Why do I have to lose? She tells me, why do I have to lose weight? Because you're overweight.
Really?
You didn't hear that story?
No, that's not being supportive.
Day 1. No. She said we're going to start on Wednesday. We're not ready. She wanted to eat something, so we weren't ready. Okay,
not
cool.
Ready.
Cool. We're not ready. Wednesday. You know what? What's going to change, Annie? Seriously, what's it going to change? And
I don't think you're ever ready to starve.
Somebody said yesterday, I think it was Joker, but I'm not sure. Somebody said if you start midweek, you're more likely to stick with it. So let's start Wednesday.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to say if you started yesterday, you're more likely to stick with it.
Really?
Yep. Because you're already in it. Hardest part's getting in.
Like cold water in a pool.
That's right. Looks like we could be breaking that inside candle.
I think he said Sunday. Yeah, what's up?
What's Sunday, the diet? I need to go on a diet also. Hardest part's getting the wife commit to it. 60 minutes. There we go, breaking the inside bar. Wood chip, you purposely running your account down? That way you can make it all back? Wasn't that what ICT said when he was doing a competition? Wood chip, did you take the short from the inside candle? Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Just gonna purposely run it down real low.
I don't want to be mean, but whoever said that I should try and get my TPT account to 200, you're wrong.
Oh man, I just clicked yes on that.
No trading the balance. Trade the setups.
Damn it, I knew it was a trick question.
I took a break to blow my nose. Did I get everything? Can you see?
I'm not looking. I always think if I just answer one of those questions, they'll go away, but they never do. Oh, shit. Should just click dismiss poll.
I'm purposely running my account down. Wood chip. Yeah. Come on, wood chip. What happened to team streamers?
No, we figured this out. He's running it down so that he can, like ICT did.
Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Well, that's a valid strategy.
Yeah, just letting the other guys think they're winning. Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. Just letting the other guys think they're winning.
And then you're going to come from behind.
Come from behind, bam.
What did I miss that wood chip said that's harsh?
Maybe the boogers?
No, that was later. Binge drinking. My wife doesn't binge drink.
Wife don't binge drink.
No.
Man. My wife quit drinking.
11:23. Oh, okay. Wow.
Come on, you going down or not?
Am I muted? Am I muted?
No, I hear you.
I'm not muted. Yep.
Push.
No, it's not harsh.
Is this push or pull?
Wait a minute. What? How can you be commenting on what I
Fuck
said,
it.
Woodchip, if I'm muted? We got a bit of a contradiction there. You did, and I checked. I'm gonna confess, I just checked. You did get me. You got me on the third try. I said, okay, maybe. I did it. I did it quietly without hoping with that you guys didn't see me doing it. I'm checking out at 11:35. I got 10 more minutes. You guys can roll over onto Omnius Trades stream. If you're sticking around, I'll post the link. You're going to be sticking around?
Hell no.
Really?
I'm losing enough money as it is.
Are you going to close down and stop trading, or you close the stream and you continue trading? You ever trade off stream? Or once you close stream, that's it. You're done. You're done.
No, I do sometimes in the afternoon session, but lately I haven't been doing that.
Yeah.
Kid wants me to play Fortnite with him.
Okay. Woodchip says he'll roll over.
I think I'm gonna cut out with you. Go play some Fortnite.
Yeah. Oh, you should play my son. He's a world champ. He's on the world leaderboard. I don't know if anymore. But Call of Duty and Fortnite. Yeah, I think he was top 10 for a while.
It's okay. I'm probably top 10 of losing.
Maybe not top 10. Very high up. Maybe top 10. I'm not sure exactly. What's
Call of Duty? Yeah, Skeletor, but I don't let my kid play Call of Duty. Maybe when he gets a little bit older, then I can get back into Call of Duty. A lot of people say that's silly, but I don't know. Fortnite's more like cartoonish. It's easier for the kids to understand that this is fake.
Fortnite?
But,
yeah.
Call of Duty is like that's more realistic looking. The sounds are more realistic. So I don't want my son sitting there playing that for 3-4 hours at a time.
Yeah, Call of Duty is pretty realistic.
Sometimes he'll play zombies, but not really that much into that either. Your gamer tag is chocolate salty balls. That's Mike's gamer tag.
Hey, leave my salty balls out of it. Nobody's throwing knives because they played Zelda. Hit the like button. Yeah, guys, hit the like button.
Doing the same, Joker. Glad you took the 175 and closed the trade.
Ooh, I'm gonna get a trigger. I got my clicker. I'm ready. 76 minus 14, 72, 62. Hot.
Yeah, you're late. We've been shorting.
No, 62. Fuck off. It's get the fuck out of here. Collis. Come on, I missed it. Fucking had my hand on the wrong must. Come on. I'm over to this pizza channel.
Pizza channel?
Yeah, this is the pizza channel. Fuck, that was going to get me over to 200. Oh, wait, I get a chance again. It's a better price.
What the fuck? I get back in, it goes against me. Motherfuckers.
I don't even know which account triggered, but... Oh, I can only add a 2-lot, eh?
Skeletor,
it's 69.
On the Discord, it shows on Fortnite. Mike's always say, "You're on Fortnite. You're on Fortnite."
Yeah,
I'm not on Fortnite. I don't even play Fortnite on this computer. I'll be on my phone, and Mike's like, "I see you. You're on Fortnite." It's telling me in Discord.
What am I stopping out at? Right there.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that was a shitty trade. What did that bring me down to?
That was a shitty trade. Why'd you tell us to take that?
$89. Huh. Okay, what can you do? They can't all be winners.
I had a little run. Me and Woodchip was shorting. then gave it all back. Fuck them.
Well, it was a valid trade. I have no problem taking it. It was a valid trade. It's too bad it didn't work out.
Just hold 2 micros short for life. That's a hell of a commitment, wood chip.
Watch it trigger again. I'm not taking it again.
I'm not good at long commitments like that. I've only been married for 24 years.
I'm going to leave with a little bit of green. Maybe trade in the afternoon. You know what? I don't know. It depends. I might just work on my trailer teaser video, finish it up. I mean, it's almost done. But, maybe I'll stream in the afternoon, catch the power hour.
Wood chip said that's how long he would have been married if she'd have stayed.
That's funny.
You got to lock him in the basement, man. Yeah, sometimes it's better to stay together, and sometimes it's better to just go ahead and call it and move on. Relationships are weird because you can do everything in the world to make people happy, and they still ain't happy. Hit that like. I did hit the like. Would still take a short if I get a signal right here. Come back up. That should be our 15-minute inside candle. Just took it off of that.
That's it for me. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay. -3.
-$3?
-3. That sucks. See, I should have kept my 188. I should have been happy with it. Wow, and I think I got out right at the low. I couldn't take the loss.
Mine says -3 also, but it's got a couple zeros behind it.
83. What's 83 minus 7? It's 76. I can get in at 76. That was a stupid exit. That was a stupid exit. That was a weak exit because I didn't get stopped out. I'm going to try again.
Short?
No, long. Trying again. Now I'm really going to regret it. Now I'm compounding a mistake. See, this is an impulsive, stupid trade.
How you going to say I'm leaving and take another trade?
I don't know. You see, stupid and impulsive. Remember I said I still make 10% mistakes? This is a 10% mistake.
What chip says another pregnant lady. Where are we at? 15-minute again? Yep.
And now I'm going to hold because the other one I should have held, and now this one's going to rape me.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? The one you should have held works. And you're like, fuck it, I'm going to hold this one. I don't care, and it goes against you. Don't look like I'm going to get this signal short.
Get out. Fuck it. I'm still -3. I got out at exactly even.
Looks like it's going your direction.
No. Fuck off. It's not a trade. It's an impulsive, stupid, shitty trade. It's a revenge trade. I'm not taking it. And it's 10:35. I gotta go. I can't stay longer. Okay, so green red -3. I'm going to trade the afternoon because I'm going to want to get back into green on my Take Profit Pro Trader, but I'm only going to take valid setups. I'm glad I got out of that one. I'm angry that I took an impulsive trade, but I still do make mistakes. Thanks, guys, for showing up. Appreciate it. Omnius, I don't know if you're, again, you said you're going to check out. That's it? You're done?
I might hang out for a couple minutes, then get out of here.
Okay, so I'm gone, guys. I'll probably be back for Power Hour, if not in the evening, and if not, then tomorrow morning. Thanks for showing up. It was fun. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and see you soon.
Later.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.